All right, let's crush another Mtel question. This one says, use the information below to answer the question that follows. So a container is made up of different cylindrical sections as shown in the diagram. Water is poured into the container at a constant rate. Which of the following graphs best shows the relationship between time and height of the water in the container? So all of these graphs have some kind of slope, and I think the main concept that we're going to be dealing with in this question is the slope of these graphs, which is the rate of change between the height and the time. So when the container is thinner, the water is going to rise faster, right? If you have a thin container, it fills up quicker, and when it's wider, it's going to take longer for it to rise quicker. So what we should expect here is for a steeper slope, which means that the container is filling faster in less time when it's thinner, and a flatter slope when it's wider. So A is constant the whole time. We have a constant slope, so the answer is not going to be A. You can eliminate that one. B shows an exponential relationship, so it gets faster over time, consistently faster over time, which also isn't true. We should expect it to be pretty constant. It should be like a very straight slope. It should be the same, and then a little different in the middle, and then kind of the same again. C is interesting, but it's sort of fluid. And then if we take a look at D, it's exactly what we should be looking for. We've got a constant slope at the beginning until we get to a certain point, and then we get to this wide piece where it's going to flatten out. The height is going to change at a lower rate, so the slope is a little flatter because it's not going to rise as high for that period of time, right? The height isn't changing at a rate that is as intense as these other two parts, and then it goes back to the same slope. So the answer to this one is D.